Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the new and updated control center features in the latest iOS version on your iPhone. This control center gives you quick access to improve important settings and it's more powerful than most people realize. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone. Swipe down from the right corner of the screen. Then open the control center. At the top, you will see quick button for Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth and airplane mode. Just tap any icon to turn it on or off instantly. You can also press and hold this session to see more network options. In the middle, you will see two sliders, slide up or down to adjust brightness, slide up or down to control volume. Here you can add new controls, remove one you don't use, rearrange controls for easy access. This lets your personalized control center exactly how to use it. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.